Stargate Finance. So, ticker randomly not working, but as you can see, the markets are going wild. Bitcoin pumping, Ethereum pumping. Stargate Finance has really, really solid partnerships. They've been working with massive, massive projects. This is DeFi protocol, effectively, that has great potential. I actually think they launched at possibly the worst moment that they could have launched in. At the end of the 2021 bull cycle, I think there's huge potential here. So I want to take a look at really where this can go. Now, before I get into it, guys, if you are new to this channel, this spreadsheet shows the first 26 coins that I did videos about on the channel. In the videos, I showed myself buying up all of these cryptos. These are all coins that I thought were going to make me very, very good money. Phantom, obviously, like I did a whole course about why Phantom would make me money. If you'd have gotten in on these coins when I released the videos, these are the price you'd have gotten in on. These are the highs that all these coins hit in under a year and a half. These are what your profits would have been if you'd have just put $100 into those coins. So 100 into each in under a year and a half would have netted your profit of over 123 grand. Now, obviously, you don't have a year and a half. Look, Bitcoin 88 grand, Ethereum at 33. You know, if you're sitting on cryptos you're not confident in, it's time to sort that out. If you go on to copymycrypto.com, that's the website I run where I share my portfolio with my members. Now, when I'm ready to buy or sell a coin, I tell my members the crypto that I'm going to buy or sell, the price that I'm going to buy or sell the crypto at, and my members can copy along exactly. It means they have no work, they make the same profit as me. On the site, you can see what my members have earned, you can see the successes we've had. It's public record as well, you can verify it all online. If you like what you see, guys, just try the service out. You've literally got nothing to lose and everything to gain before these markets really start ripping. And it looks like they're ripping now, but Jesus Christ, like Bitcoin is going to smash 100 grand soon. And if you're sitting on crap coins, you're just watching everyone else making money while you don't. Now, Stargate Finance, as I said, launched at the worst possible time. I mean, literally it launched at like the very beginning of 2022. Had this huge skyrocket. Literally hasn't been through a bull cycle at all. Now, worth noting, 204 million supply. 1 billion is set to come out. In terms of unlocks, they've basically got 14 million per month, which, you know, they are going to investors. Like half of that goes to investors, half of that goes to contributors, and then it's emissions. So possible strong selling pressure in that regard. Now, Stargate, the whole premise is an Omnichain native asset bridge. And, you know, the whole goal is the blockchain trilemma. I'm so sick of talking about the blockchain trilemma. But the concept is basically that if they can scale up, if they can be Omnichain, and, you know, if they don't have centralization issues, they're golden, they're crystal. So, yeah, they want to be decentralized, they want to be secure, they want to be fast. That's it, right? And Stargate users can move assets between different liquidity funds through DeFi and dApps. Their protocol currently supports Ethereum, Avalanche, Polygon, Metis, BNB, Arbitrum, Optimism, and Phantom. I imagine they've added to that since as well, because obviously this is at time of writing. And weirdly, the like CEOs, CTOs, etc. don't update this. Like, that should be your job. Like, not CEOs, CTOs, not the C-suite, but someone should be updating this. It was built by Layer Zero Labs. It's an Omnichain protocol that wants to help crypto networks interoperate. And, like, legitimately, they've built something pretty good. By the way, So again, total supply 1 billion, but as of right now, 204 million. But you can have a look through and you can see the transfer. The transfer is a piece of piss. Like, it doesn't matter what asset you want to transfer from what network. It's so easy, so straightforward. They've got their pools as well. Now again, one thing I would highlight, a downside is that there's not a lot of liquidity. 6 mil here, 2 mil here, 1 mil here, or 2 mil there. So you're looking at 6, 9.3, 11.2. Yeah. So we start ticking along. Yeah. So we're looking at what, 18 there. So 21.6, give or take. Not tons of liquidity, and that's kind of an issue. And that is liquidity there. Obviously, then they show proper liquidity. So actually, to be fair to them, 100 mil there or 94 mil there, plus another 68. So 162 mil, plus another 43 mil. So you're looking at what, 205 mil. Yeah, so actually, to be fair to them, you know what, being harsh, look, like in terms of pools, decent amount of liquidity, really decent amount of liquidity. Yield wise as well, the farm, pretty good. So yeah, in terms of APY, pretty damn good, to be fair. I would always point this out, and I have always pointed this out. You've got to be careful with putting your crypto into any farm that's offering very, very good yield. Look, fundamentally, there's a huge amount of inflation. There are risks to that. You have to understand the risks. If you don't, whether it's impermanent loss or whatever, you've got to actually understand the risks. There's a limited amount of liquidity in a lot of pools, a lot of farms. So just do due diligence. In terms of Stargate itself, excuse me. Yeah, I mean, overview wise, and it's probably the best way to put it. So total value locked, 481 million. Again, market cap is 68 million. So when you put it into context, hugely undervalued right now. I mean, what's that in terms of multiplier? 67 mil market cap, or 68 mil, call it. Versus that, you're looking at what, 8 mil? No, sorry, 9x, just shy of 9, well, probably about 9x. Into TVL versus market cap. 9x is massive. Like, that's going to grow. In a bull cycle, that's going to grow. It always does. Because you're looking at the fundamentals of what whales and the bigger money do. And what the bigger money do in every bull cycle, in the history of all bull cycles, is they use collateral that they've got because they want to get more crypto. And as a result, they will lock up a certain amount of crypto that they've got to get more crypto so that they can use that to buy more. Hopefully that will make profit and they can use that to pay off the debt of what they've borrowed, etc. and go again. Now, obviously, Stargate is not a lending and borrowing protocol. It's not Aave or anything like that. But in terms of growth, this can obviously have growth. It's a 7x right now in TVL versus market cap. And it's right now sitting at 33 cents. And again, they've got 200 million tokens out right now. Like, this should be able to be a coin that hits $500 million market cap. $2, $2.50, kind of thereabouts. Because that even now puts it in line with the TVL, with the total value locked. And that's only going to grow. So realistically, undervalued, yes. Will it get to an all-time high? Probably not, but you cannot actually argue with numbers, and you also can't argue with the ebbs and flows of a bull cycle. Anyone that wants to predict that a bull cycle is going to go to this peak or that peak or dump at this point are full of shit. Like, you've got to be realistic about the reality. A bull cycle can go wild. They go parabolic. Parabolic is an undefined height that something can reach. Like, is a parabola is the curve. And Stargate is strong. It legitimately is strong. It's just a question of, can it build user base? That's its issue. That's its biggest issue. Can it build user base? So what I would want to see is like solid marketing, solid advertising. And if we start seeing that, this is not one to sleep on from my perspective. Obviously, you know, everyone does what they want to do. But TVL is not looking bad. And I think $2, even $2.50 from where it is right now, very, very fair shout. If they start building a user base, my number will change for sure, because users matter hugely. And anyone that ignores that in a bull cycle is going to lose money. But let me know what you guys think about this in the comments down below, guys. And goddamn, ETH at 3,300, Bitcoin trying to hit 8,800 or 88,000. How are you all feeling? You feeling bullish? You feeling excited? I think we all are right now. But share what you're feeling. What are your hopes for the money you're going to make this bull cycle? Share in the comments. And guys, look, if there are coins you're sitting on, if your holdings that you're not happy with, sort your portfolios out. Chip them out, remove them from your portfolio. If you don't know where to go to copymycrypto.com. On the site, I share my portfolio. I share the coins I own. In the last week, I've had coins rising at over 100%. I've had coins rising over 80%. I've had coins rising over 60%. You can check it out. Literally, it's all on the site. Copymycrypto.com is where I just share my portfolio with my members. Whenever I'm ready to buy or sell a coin, I tell my members the coin that I'm going to buy or sell, the price I'm going to do it at. They can copy along exactly. There is no work for my members. Check out the site, read through it all, verify it all. It's all public records. You can literally go onto the old videos on the channel and confirm it all. If you're sitting on coins you're not confident in, it's because they're not going to make you money. And you're going to watch people making money throughout this bull cycle. Don't be the person that isn't making any. And anyway, guys, I'll see you in the next video, or I'll see you at copymycrypto.com. That's it from me. Take care.